Let's
Yeah.
bridge this historical shift, the move to internal morality with the psychology and the neuroscience, how our own moral development works.
Yeah.
It really seems like our brains are actually wired to evolve morally,
Yeah.
moving from simple rules to really complex ethical thinking.
It's a striking parallel, isn't it? How these big historical shifts kind of mirror what we know about individual brain development. It's not just philosophy, it's biology playing out. You see it in studies, like from the University of Zurich, showing how damage to certain brain areas impairs social, moral reasoning. Our sources bring up key theories, like Lawrence Kohlberg's six-stage model of moral development,
Right, I remember that. Pre-conventional, conventional.
post-conventional. Moving from basically fear of punishment and self-interest through conforming to norms and authority up to abstract social contracts and universal ethics.
Now that model got some criticism, right? Western bias, maybe gender bias.
It did. Carol Gilligan's work on the ethics of care, emphasizing relationships over abstract justice, was a key counterpoint. But still, longitudinal research, like that Harvard study by Polby and others back in '83, generally supported Kohlberg's idea of a gradual, sequential development through these stages, especially in adolescence. It suggests a pretty consistent path of moral maturing.
So it's not just kids learning rules passively. It's a fundamental shift in how the brain processes morality.
Precisely. And neurodevelopmentally, this lines up with the maturing of key brain areas. We're talking about the ventromedial prefrontal cortex, the VMPFC. Crucial for mixing emotion and thinking and decisions, allowing for more nuanced ethics, and the anterior cingulate cortex, involved in spotting conflict and managing emotions. As these areas grow and connect better, our capacity for complex ethical thought expands.
Fascinating.
And another huge piece is theory of mind. Our ability to understand that other people have intentions, beliefs, desires, that they're not just objects.
Seeing things from their perspective.
Exactly. The temporoparietal junction, the TPJ, is critical here. Studies like at Harvard's Child Study Center show kids' moral judgments change dramatically around age 5 once they grasp false belief. Understanding someone can act based on a mistake, not malice.
Ah, like breaking the cookie jar accidentally versus on purpose. Huge difference.
Huge. And what's wild is that if you temporarily disrupt the TPJ in adults using certain technologies, their moral reasoning gets worse. It shows how vital that area is ongoing for empathy and judging intent.
Wow. So understanding intent, not just impact, is fundamental to moral growth. Adds so much complexity.
Absolutely. And it's not just about avoiding harm or following rules. The sources also talk about virtue ethics activation.
What's that?
It's how cultivating positive traits, honesty, courage, compassion, actually engages the brain's reward circuits, like the ventral striatum,